I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to export a Selenium project in Eclipse. First, ensure your project is well organized and all dependencies are correctly configured. Verify that your test scripts run successfully within Eclipse before attempting any export. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth export process and ensures your project is ready for deployment outside the IDE. Now, let's begin the export process. In Eclipse, locate your project in the Package Explorer, right-click on it, and select Export. From the Export wizard, expand the Java folder and choose Runnable JAR file. This option is ideal for creating a self-contained executable that includes all necessary dependencies, making it easy to run your Selenium tests independently. Next, you'll configure the JAR file settings. Select the launch configuration that corresponds to your main test class. Then, choose a clear destination folder and file name for your new JAR. Crucially, decide how to handle required libraries. Extract required libraries into generated JAR is often the best choice for a single, portable file. This ensures all dependencies are included. Finally, it's time to run your exported Selenium project. Open a command prompt or terminal window. Navigate to the directory where you saved your runnable JAR file. Then, execute the JAR using the command java jar your project name. jar. This will launch your Selenium tests outside of Eclipse, demonstrating a successful export and independent execution of your automation suite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.